You're welcome to this tutorial. If you've not subscribed to the channel, you can do that now so that you get more update on using Microsoft Excel more effectively. Alright, so in this tutorial we want to see how we can use the filter function in the pivot table. You understand? So this is not just the filter function, but the filter function in the pivot table. So I will show you a trick that you can use in your work to get your work done faster while using pivot tables. So this trick is so simple and straightforward, but you learn more as we move on in this tutorial. Alright, so let's get down to work. Pivot tables are widely used in Excel to draft reports. This is the data set, and we have how many rows? We have 18,495 rows, and we have columns up to U, letter U. So now let's move to work. Now if you want to use your pivot tables, you come to Insert, then here you click on pivot tables, then you leave whatever it is here, new workbook, new worksheets. Yes, so now we have the pivot field here to build reports, and then the field that we can drag our columns and rows in. Now let's say we want to analyze the yearly income of gender in the data set. Now this is the yearly income. You click and drag the row, we have this. Then the gender, you click and drag to values, and then you also click the gender and drag to columns. You understand? So we now have female and male, and so we have 9,133 for females and 10,351 entries for males. Alright, so where am I going now? This filter field is where I really want us to work on today. So now if you want to use this filter field, you can use any of these columns here for your filter field. You understand? So let's say we want to filter this report now by the last names. Let's just assume we want to filter it by the last name. So you click and drag the last names here, and then here you can come here to select which one you want to show, which one you want to appear on your reports. You understand? But where I'm going to is much more than this. So let's assume that you are told to draft a report showing each surname per sheet. You understand? So here this sheet will have son, another sheet for Adams, then sheet for Alan, then sheet for Alonso, and the likes, etc. We have a lot of surnames here, right? If I count this now, it's be up to maybe 60 or more than that. You understand? So if you want to do that kind of thing, there's a trick that you can use that would name each sheet according to the surnames and draft the report of that surname on that sheet in seconds. You understand? So if you want to do this manually now, you would spend half. You understand? Because you have to keep creating pivot tables and then selecting the surnames of each sheet. You understand? So, and that is very, very rigorous. So for you to do this very fast, just click anywhere in the pivot table and come to analyze, and come to the options here. This drop down here, just click this drop down, then show report filter pages, then last names, show all report filter page of last names. Yes, then you will see the magic that happens now. Can you see what's happening here now? Can you see that Excel is creating each sheet per surname automatically without stress? So Excel is done. Now we have each sheet per surname for Adams. This is for Adonelli. This is for Alan. This is for Albert. This is for Alexandra. We have all the surnames per sheet like that, per sheet like that. So this, okay, this is interesting. Now this is for Anderson, this is for Thor, per sheet, and we did not just use 1 minute, you understand, to get this report, you understand. So this is a very fast method to draft your report if you were doing it. So you can apply this in or whatever field you are. You can use any of this field here for your filters. It could be the email addresses, it could be the year, it could be the date, it could be anything whatsoever, but this makes your work very faster, and you don't have to draft each sheet per report manually, which will suck your time, you understand. So this is just a tutorial on using filters in pivot tables, you understand. So if you are not subscribed to our channel, please do that now, so that you would keep receiving more updates as we do more tutorials. Meet you in the next tutorial.